Welcome back to Beck. Today we're going to go mess with the FML 250. Here we go. We made it. I just started this truck. Want to show it running. I just stumbled a second ago. Looked like it was going to die. But it comes out of it. There, it's going to stumble. I guess it's got a fuel issue, like dirty fuel injectors. You know, I guess the pump could be not supplying enough, but I think it's the fuel injectors. I cut the exhaust off because I suspected the cat was clogged, and obviously here's the cat. So just lacks a little bit of power, and you try to accelerate, and this muffler was shot anyway. Alright, so I let it run for a little bit. I'm gonna try to do that fuel injector pulse test. I'm gonna pull it up here on this last 10 minutes or something. Going through online, there's a manual for this scanner, and basically that injector balance test I did was on a GM, and apparently you can't do it on the Ford. So yeah, can't do that, but I wanted to do it. So what I'm gonna do is maybe try to look at O2, an O2 sensor graph on here. Here's bank 2 sensor 1. There's bank 1 sensor 1. So they're both going up and down reading. Doesn't appear to have a second sensor. Text view. Now, I'm not going to lie to you and tell you I know what these numbers should be. I do know the O2 sensor should fluctuate like that, back and forth. I don't know what actual numbers you need, like as far as the limits. But you can at least watch them, make sure they go up and down, not flatlined or, you know, not at 0 volts. That'll let you know one's dead. You can see that these two numbers are different. Like they vary. There's short-term fuel trim bank 1 sensor 1, short-term fuel trim bank 2 sensor 1. So the short-term fuel trim O2 sensor readings, see they're close there. Let's see if we got a code yet. Bank 1, system 2 lean. One of the goals coming down here today was to attempt to repair this and the one on the other side. So it was to do that, to do the injector test, and maybe to test the trailer light thing, but I noticed I had taken that out. Pretty sure there was an issue with it. Just gonna order one from Amazon, I guess. So yeah, that solves one of the issues, I guess. This is the other side. I didn't realize how bad it was until I tapped on it. So that's gone. I need to make sure that I have enough so that I can come up here and wrap around. I'm gonna just come straight here, bend it up here, and fold up over this lip and attach this lip here. Once this is all gone, I'll probably cut just inside here, all the way across. And the other side, I'm gonna have to basically rebuild that whole bottom section, because it obviously isn't together. So start with the other side because it's easier, and then I'll probably somehow tie this back in, only because it's got this lip. I may end up just cutting this part out here, or do the same thing, fold it back into it at the bottom down here, and then just extend it, and then I don't know, try to make a rib for the seal. So that's a plan at the moment till it changes. I thought I could get one of the washers or dryers in the back of this, but obviously there's crap in that, so we're gonna go up the farm with my truck. We got a handful of washers and dryers, and I'm gonna pick one out here real quick and load it up the truck and take it down and cut what I need out of it. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. Committed like cutting. So I quit for today, but got one done. It fits in there a little bit snug. So do one more side and attach it.